Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be talking about how to make aloe vera carrot body scrub. And I'll be using a couple of ingredients such as lemon, carrot, aloe vera to make this anti-aging and aloe vera carrot body scrub. Now I have the lemon and I'm blending this with water, and lemon has some form of anti-aging vitamins in it that can help you to skin tone your skin. And now I will be blending the aloe vera, which actually has vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C and anti-aging properties in it. I'm blending this with water, and now this aloe vera can actually help us to brightening our skin and also to skin tone our skin. So the next ingredient is carrot. I've just blended that with water, and this has some carotenoid in it that can help us to brightening our skin. So now I put a container inside a boiling water. So I pour the carrot juice, and I will be using a soap that has a vitamin C in it, and you can actually use any soap of your choice. So I'll stir this for a few minutes. Then I will be adding the lemon juice. This is the lemon juice. I'm adding that, and I will stir this for another 2 minutes. Then I will be adding half cup of honey into this body wash. Now I'm adding the aloe vera juice into this body wash. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to mix this, stir it for a few minutes, and this aloe vera body scrub is almost done. To get the aloe vera body scrub, I will be sieving out the aloe vera carrot body wash. And now I'm just sieving this out. And now we have the aloe vera carrot body scrub. So to make the scrub, I will be adding cups of sugar. Then also I will be adding honey, half cup of honey into the scrub. I will mix together, and our aloe vera carrot body scrub is almost done. So this is ready. I will put this in a safe airtight container, and you can actually use this to prevent aging and also to naturally skin tone your skin, because this has vitamin A, E, and C in it. Please try out this wonderful beauty recipe and let me know what you think. Until next time, I love you all. Bye for now.